Okay friends, so in the previous video we worked with download, so we can download a single image or all the images or just the images from the downloads collections. Now I'm going to register a new collection. So if you go here in the table plus, we have a single image for this post to the image collections and also to the downloads collection. Okay, so this post with ID 18 has one image to this collection and also one image to this collection. And because we have only that, we can use a single file. So here when we update a post, we check if we have a file for the image. We first clear the media collection and after that we add this new image to the media collection images. But it's a better way, so let's remove this one and save it. And in the post model we need to register media collections. So let's say function with name register media collections, and here we don't need anything. We need to return void. Okay, so return void, and here now register the collections we want. This, in this case, this add media collection, and the collection name is images, and for this collection I want single file, so single file like this. Let's save it. Now in the post controller we have removed that one for the images collection but not for the downloads. Okay, and let's see if it works. Refresh. Now for the images I'm going to change this image. Let's come here, edit, and also you see here we have only 4 images, and choose the image. I have downloaded this Laravel image. Let's open and say create, and if you see here we have that image. And if I come here and refresh, we have also 4. We just changed that image to this download PNG. So we removed that clear media collection, and now anytime we make an update, we remove the file we have to this collection and add a new one, because we have only single file here. So let's do the same thing for the downloads. Remove this one, hit save, go to the post, and we need to do the same thing. Just copy this and paste it here. We can register as many as we want. Let's say here downloads, save it, come here and refresh, and also I'm going to add the same images to the download. Let's say edit, come here, choose this one, select and say create, and we have also here that image. And if I come here, refresh, we have only 4. Okay, and you see here this model ID has the download PNG for the images collection and for the downloads collection. Okay friends, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best.